Hey, welcome to ClarksPlace.
All right,
We've got a change of plans of what we're doing on the Daytona, which is behind him.
I bloodied my father to death here today.
Yeah, we were taking the front valance somewhere.
It's over there.
Yeah, taking it off, and he's pulling it. He caught my...
We should really file those edges down, you know?
Yeah, that's a... what do they call that when you got to have a helmet on and stuff?
I don't know.
OSHA. That's an OSHA problem.
Is it an ocean issue? Okay.
Anyway,
I said ocean, not OSHA. Okay, so the point of this video, longer story shorter, is...
Janik is going to make fenders.
You found that out today.
Yeah, I read about it, well, I think the other day, that he's in the middle of getting the molds and starting to make fiberglass replacement fenders.
I got to get out of the wind tunnel there.
Oh, and he's going to make OE, like OEM equivalent, the nice ones that's got all the inner bracing, and have them for sale within 6 months or so.
Yeah, so
I'm going to buy a pair.
Two pair,
because we got another car to do.
Yep.
And we've been working these metal ones. We've already filled in the lights.
So these are 70 fenders that we've cut the front ends off, filled in the lights.
Yeah, we cut it, I put extra
cut
metal
out
here,
the headlights there,
ground those off.
and
headlights. Any rust, like
that one's pretty. I don't think we put any patches in that.
This one's the one that's got some patches.
Yeah, this one you can see where he sanded.
I mean, it had some weak metal, and so I'm not going to put Bondo in it. We cut it, welded in.
Yep. And then the patch panels went on.
We bought both the bracing.
New lower patch panels with the new lower brace there.
And they've been fit to the car. They fit fine.
Yeah.
We've cut the hole and drilled the holes out for the scoops.
Yep.
From what Janik makes. If you put another
shot of this one too, he's got a little bit of Duraglass over the back of it, just where we had
where the seam was.
All the seam, just to
yeah,
cover it and we're planning on finishing it to where everything looks like perfect on the back side of it too.
Yeah.
So this fender has like no issues, no real blemishes.
No, this one's not a beat. Why would that not lay there?
Just lay it like that. That's fine, Pop.
Yeah, I wanted to stand it up.
Yeah.
Yeah, this one that's just down to metal, bare metal, and there's no rust in there.
Yep.
I mean, it is a good 70 fender.
Yeah.
So we're going to be going to probably the Nationals.
Carlisle. We're going to Carlisle in July. I think 15th is when that show is.
Yeah, whenever it is.
We haven't been to that one, but we will drag these up there to Carlisle if somebody wants fenders that have been worked to be 70 fenders for a Daytona.
Yep.
If they don't sell in Carlisle, then they will be going with me to Hebron. If Pops doesn't go with me, I'll take them in the trailer with me to Hebron, because I know somebody will snatch these things up. But if you see the video, you'll see it below on the bottom. The email is clarksplace@yahoo.com.
You can see what they are. Make us an offer.
Yeah, you can see all the work we did in videos previously.
Right.
On ClarksPlace in the upper right hand corner. I'll try to put a link that you can see all the work that we've done to these. But Pops has put a ton of work finishing or starting the finishing work, I would say, is where you're at.
They're not done yet. I mean, they're well on their way.
Well, that still has original paint on it. So I mean, and we were sanding everything down to see.
I mean, that's pretty much see what it needs.
That's pretty much bare metal with just a little bit of paint on it. So, and that one's great. This one, I think, with the panels and stuff that we had to weld in on the bottom of it.
But this is close. There's other areas that I can still feel a few little things. There's a little scratch there, but
if we knew a good body man, I mean, they'd be able to knock that out.
That's not my strong suit. But you can see we've got all the long sanders and the flexible ones.
Oh yeah,
and we're
that was our plan. We're not getting rid of these because they're junk, not by any means. They're fantastic fenders. I wish that we had them in this condition when we bought them.
Right.
But I like the plug and play of the fiberglass, which you're not making a perfect.
It's all made by Janik.
Yeah.
And this is not a real one. I'd have metal fenders on it if it was a real one. So I'm going to keep with all the Janik stuff on the front, and of course they're probably going to be lighter weight.
That's what I think.
Maybe not.
I don't know, that fiberglass is heavy stuff. So,
so anyway, they're available. Send Chris on the ClarksPlace at yahoo.com.
Send me an email if somebody's here in Florida that wants them. I don't care where they go. I want them to go to somebody's Daytona project or fenders for a Daytona that somebody
a real one that needs
metal fenders. Yeah. Like I said,
but I know they're hard to find now.
Yeah.
Unless they're rust buckets.
So make us an offer. I'll drag them one way or another. I'll drag them to Pennsylvania and back, and Ohio and back. If one way or another, these are going to end up on somebody's Daytona or Daytona. So that's all I got. Look forward to seeing everybody at the show, and that's all I got. What else you got? Anything?
I think that's it.
Okay.
That's it. Yep.
Cool.
All right.
Get some good fenders from ClarksPlace.
All right.
If you call these things good, look at those things.
They're not bad.
Love them. Like I said earlier, I wish that we had those to start with. All right, everybody.
All right.
Have a good evening. Thanks for watching ClarksPlace. See you at the next shows. Bye-bye. Addendum. What's in my trailer out there?
There's another pair of 70 fenders.
That will be for sale.
But we got to get them out. They are... I know one of them got a bunch of rust. It takes some metal repair.
It's got some holes in it and has 52 pounds of Bondo, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So, I think you said it was the mate to the green one?
Yeah, it was the mate to the green one, and it is twice the weight.
Yeah.
It's got Bondo. I've gotten most of it. I mean, there were places.
And you got this one from the other 70 that you bought.
Yeah.
And used that fender because it was way, way, way better.
Yeah.
And that took a lot of work too. But the other two fenders that we have are nothing like these. They are a raw start for someone, and I think you gave what, $250 or so at Hebron?
$250 for the Bondo one.
Yeah.
At Hebron 2 years ago, and the other one was with the car that we bought. So
if I can find some pictures, I'll throw some pictures in now. If not, I can bring the beat up fenders for somebody that wants to do all the work themselves.
Yep.
Other than that, like I said, same story goes for those. Make us an offer on what you think they're worth, and make us an offer for what you think these are worth. And I said it before, we'll see you at the show. I can bring them anywhere we need to go. So they're in Middleburg, Florida right now, but they can be in Pennsylvania or Ohio within the next month or two.
That's right. Or if you don't live that far, you can drive and come and get them.
Okay.
All right.
Sounds good.
All right.
Anything else?
Nope.
Okay. Happy to live. Bye-bye.
All right. Bye-bye.
All right, one more addendum. 69 new AMD panel.
Front valance.
Front valance. And if you know what that is and need it, let us know.
Yeah, here it's... I thought it was the rear support piece. It is heavy gauge.
Yeah, I think that... I don't think that's charger. I think that's for Cornet or something like that. We can take these parts anywhere with us as well.
Yep.
Or if you need it, since we're making Daytonas, we don't need that.